And on your screen before you now is a very simple example of a continuous function chart. And just looking at it and understanding a little bit about how it works, I want you to think about a functional block diagram and a sequential function chart having a baby together, and maybe this is what would come out. So it is very rigidly defined. It's kind of like our SFC. We really have to plan ahead of time whenever we're programming in this language. We really have to know what our process flow is going to be. And in some ways, this is a little bit more rigid than an SFC. So, whenever it comes time to define this, make sure that if you're going to use a continuous function chart, make sure that you know in advance exactly how your system needs to work, and make sure that it's not going to have to change, because whenever you have to change everything up using continuous function charts, it's not the friendliest in the world. And actually the same can be said for SFCs. So bear that in mind. This, just like the last, it has a really good advantage in showing you exactly what's happening and what stage of operation we're on without burdening us with a lot of detail. But when it comes time to have to make a change or add some things in, or especially if we have to modify our process in terms of the order of steps or the potential outcomes from one step, this becomes very cumbersome, and these charts can look very ugly after a while. So as long as you're trying to keep it simple and define something that's going to be, very consistent, then continuous function charts are excellent.